Hi guys, I want to show you what I've been working on, some little upgrades in my minivan camper. Now I'm working on a little curtain I want to put up in the back. I'm trying to figure out how to attach this curtain. I was hoping this curtain rod. These are the realities, the frustrations of van life, trying to figure out how to put things in the van and get them to stay. So I have a challenge here, and you'll see how things turned out. You can see I'm frustrated here because I can't seem to figure out how to hook this up the way I thought it would go. And I'm not quite getting it where I thought it would work. So I'm just trying to figure out where it would go and stay. And this little curtain rod I got for $1 at the thrift store isn't working out. So I have to figure out something else. So stay tuned and watch what I end up figuring out. I'm getting the one true special tool that I think someone was a genius to come up with. Always seems to be the great backup for anything that you need fastened or hooked to something. You'll see what I do in just a few minutes. So you see, I can't use this curtain rod. It's just not going to work. So, I don't know if you can see, but I have another creative solution. I'm trying to string the curtain onto a bungee cord. Yes, bungee cords. Probably one of the best inventions ever. So I'm going to hook this up using 1 or 2 bungee cords. So I had to use 2 bungee cords. I tried with the 1 bungee cord and it wasn't quite long enough to attach where I wanted it. So I finally got it hooked up the way I wanted it, and now I will have these lace curtains. I can push them back out of the way if I don't want them, and tuck them in, and I'll show you. This is how they look when they're closed. That gives me a little more privacy. So that's going to work in the spring and summer. Maybe help keep some more bugs out a little bit. I'm also going to work on a screen that goes further back. So that'll be a future video. So put comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. And I will tell you how it worked on my next camping trip if I use it. I can also use it with the door closed to let light in without losing privacy also. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It would help me out. And hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments. If you're already subscribed, thank you, and thank you for watching and continuing to support my channel. I'll see you in the next one.